Hello kids! Welcome to our healthy food quiz. We'll see which food is healthy and which is unhealthy. Are you ready? Say yes! Look, it's an apple. Should we eat it or skip it? Yes, eat it. Apples are healthy and full of vitamins. It's a pizza. Eat it or skip it. Oops, skip it. Too much cheese and oil can make our tummy ache. What about carrots? Eat or skip? Eat it. Carrots help us see better and grow strong. Chocolate bar. Eat or skip? Skip it. A little is okay, but too much sugar is not healthy. Here's some milk. Eat or skip? Drink it. Milk makes our bones strong. French fries. Eat or skip? Skip it. Too oily. Not good for daily eating. It's a banana. Eat or skip? Eat it. Bananas give us energy to play and run. Yay! Great job, kids! You learned which foods make us healthy and which ones we should skip. Remember, eat fruits and veggies every day and stay strong like superheroes.
Like, share and subscribe for more videos.